Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is divisible and non-divisible sum difference. Okay, so here is given a two positive integer which is n and m. You have to find the sum of all the integer, means first you have to find the num1 and num2. Num1 is basically the sum of all the integer which is ranges from 1 to n and not divisible by n. Okay, and num2 will store the all the integer from 1 to n and which is divisible by m. Okay, so you just after this, after the finding the sum of num1 and num2, you have to return the difference. Okay, let's do this. First I will find the sum, and then I will create int diff equals to 0. Okay, this will store the sum and difference. Okay, let's run the code for int I equals to 0, sorry, I1, because it ranges from 1 to n. So and n equals to n, and then I plus plus. If you have to check if I modulo m is not equals to 0, then you have to add sum plus equals to I. Okay, else you have to do one thing, difference plus equals to I, and after this loop you just have to return the sum minus difference. Okay, let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. This is accepted. All the three test cases has been accepted. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.